All right, welcome back, Pre-Calc. Hope you and your family had a great Memorial Day weekend and were able to enjoy some time away and with each other. And a special thank you to our veterans out there for protecting our freedoms so that we can enjoy life in this great country. Anyways, here's your rundown this week for Pre-Calc. Today, Tuesday, May 26th, you have your test. I will be hosting a help session at 11 a.m. If you have any questions prior to the test or on the review, please log into that Google Meet at PC Kosanke. As soon as we're done with that, I will post the test. Test will be live on Schoology until 6 p.m. and it is due by 8 p.m. on Tuesday evening. Wednesday, I will post the notes. Actually, the video is already up for 11.1. That's properties of exponents. A lot of that should be review for you. Worksheet 11.1 day 1 will be due Thursday. Thursday, take a look at the video for the day 2 and day 3 notes. It's kind of combined. It's one section over 2 days, basically. And that's the properties of logarithms and logarithmic equations. Day 2 worksheet will be due Friday, and the day 3 worksheet will be due next Monday, June 1st. So again, you got your test Tuesday, worksheet 11.1, notes in that worksheet. Do that on Wednesday. That's due Thursday. And then Thursday, you have the video for day 2 and day 3. Day 2 worksheets due Friday. Day 3 worksheets due Monday, June 1st. All right, if you got any questions, always hit me up with an email or Google Hangout, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.